Okay, ready? Get on that branch. Go in!
Thank you. I love you.
We're not going anywhere until this house is cleaned up.
Tell them we're cleaning up in 5 minutes. Come here and get on that branch. Please. Get on that there.
I didn't know what that was.
Get on that there branch. Right there, my foot pointing. Now grab a hold of this there branch.
No.
You got to. Gotta act like you're falling.
Really?
Yeah. Cuz, scoot over some. The branch will hold you.
I'm afraid. Oh.
Scoot over. Like, get right there. And if you don't want to, you can get on the branch below it. But then you'd really be hanging. Look. Scoot over some. To right there. Yeah, that's it. You're doing good. That branch will not break. That's it. Perfect.
Much.
Okay. Now, pretend like you have to bend your knees some. So that way it'll look like you're falling. We're making a movie, people! That's it. Now grab a hold to this limb. Do it! You will not fall. That's it. Now put that hand right there. Okay, fine.
I'll do this one time and one time only. I will do this. I will be like...
Can't see your head. Close.
Hurry up.
I'm trying to get it where I can see your head. Where's your head at? Poke your head up. Keep on poking. Ah!
I'll hold it.
Perfect. Okay. And go. Here I come.
Oh my god! It's right where? I'll get it.
Here I come, baby. I'm coming to get you home.
That was funny, but bad.
Why is that person playing in here? That's no loud.
Let me see.
It recorded it all.